Do spiders make you uncomfortable? Then this might not be your favorite video today. But stay with me, because this is actually about making your home feel calmer and less stressful and spider-free. Have you ever cleaned your whole house? Sat down, looked up, and saw a cobweb staring back at you? And suddenly, your house feels dirty again, even though you just cleaned everything. My aunt was literally climbing on chairs yesterday trying to get cobwebs down. And I thought, this has got to be one of those big stress triggers in a home. Because cobwebs make your house feel messy, even when it isn't. But here's the strange part that most people don't know. Cobwebs are not what we think they are. And the way most of us remove them actually makes them come back faster. And what I do now takes less than 2 minutes a month. But first, let's talk about what cobwebs really are. They're not just spider webs. They're abandoned spider homes that collect dust, pollen, pet hair, and tiny particles floating in your air. So when you see a cobweb, you're actually seeing your airflow in the room. That's why some houses get more cobwebs than others. It may not have anything to do with your house being dirty. So you can stop feeling bad about that right now. The real problem isn't spiders. Well, I mean, they are, but that is not why we get those ugly cobwebs. It's the particles those webs collect. And here's the hidden secret. Most people use those cobweb brushes, the Webster. They're great for knocking the web down. But here's the part no one tells you. They don't actually remove the road where the spiders walk. Those tiny dust and silk particles that the spiders use need to be removed, because the brush or Webster just breaks up the web. So the spider just comes back and rebuilds in the same spot. The spider is basically like saying, "Cool, I'll just rebuild." After you knock the web down, use a microfiber cloth or a vacuum on the area. That removes the particles and tells the spider to move somewhere else. And once a spider's home keeps disappearing, they move out of the neighborhood. You may have heard about coconut oil sprays. I don't recommend having an oily film on your walls. It can stain and collect more dust. If you want something natural, a light peppermint or citrus spray near doors and windows is enough. And if you want a super simple spray, here's the recipe I use. It takes less than 1 minute. Simple spider discouraging spray. In a small spray bottle, mix 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 8 to 10 drops peppermint, lemon, or orange essential oil. Shake it before each use and lightly mist around door frames, window corners, and baseboards. Don't soak your walls. A light mist is all you need. Screenshot the recipe here. This works because spiders don't love strong scents, and vinegar helps remove the scent trails they leave behind. But honestly, simple and regular removal works best. This isn't about perfection. It's about lowering stress and feeling calm in your home, because when those little stress triggers disappear, your brain finally relaxes. Extra tip: I do this once a month right after I remove cobwebs. It takes maybe 2 minutes, and it keeps new spiders from moving in. And if you don't like peppermint, citrus works just as well and smells fresh. And if all else fails, think of it like putting up a little no vacancy sign for spiders. So are you Team Webster or Team Vacuumer? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video.